In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test mail on Mailchimp in 2025. Testing your emails is a crucial step in ensuring that your campaigns look exactly how you want them to before reaching your audience. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step so you can confidently check your email campaigns before launching them for real. First things first, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. If you haven't done that yet, head over to mailchimp.com and enter your login details. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, we want to move to the Campaigns tab. This is where all the magic happens. Click on All Campaigns, and now you'll see an overview of everything you've been working on. It's a great space to manage and organize both your ongoing campaigns and ones you've run in the past. Now, locate the email campaign you want to test. Scroll through your list until you find the specific campaign. Once you've identified it, pay close attention to the right-hand side of your screen. That's where you'll find the Edit option for your campaign. Go ahead and click on Edit. This will take you into the Email Designer, which is essentially your creative hub here. You can refine your design, tweak your content, and make sure everything looks just the way you need it to. While you're in the Email Designer, our goal is to send a test email. Now, there are two ways to do this. You might notice a Send Test button right there in the Designer. Alternatively, if you're reviewing the checklist for your email, you'll see an option labeled Send a Test Email. Both of these options will accomplish the same thing, so feel free to choose whichever is easiest for you. Clicking on either will bring up the test email form. This is the part where you specify where the test email is going to be sent. Simply type in the email address or addresses of the recipients. If you want to send the test email to more than one person, just separate each email address with a comma. This can be super helpful if you're collaborating with a team or if you want a second set of eyes to review the email. Having others check for any overlooked issues can save you a lot of time and potential headaches later on. Once you're happy with the recipient list, click on the Send Test button, and that's it, you've sent your test email. Now, give it a moment for the emails to arrive in the designated inboxes. Once they do, check everything carefully. Look for any formatting issues, broken links, or content errors. This is your chance to make sure your campaign looks flawless before it's sent to your audience. And there you have it, just a few simple steps to send a test email using Mailchimp in 2025. Thanks for following along, and happy emailing. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.